So guys, today we are going to design this structure in PROTA 2021 version. It's just for us to get acquainted to the environment. So let's go into it. So when you open your PROTA 2021, you click on new and you can choose the code that you want to use for the project. Invalid project code, and write the project code. Write electrical room. Electrical room design. Wait for it. So it has load. So the next thing you are going to do is I'm going to import my DXF. So I'll come to the best way to do it is not here. You come to external reference drawing, then you can now click on add. When I come here, the next thing I'll do is I'll click on add. Then I'll now choose the DXF I want to use. As I want to use that, I've already prepared the DXF in AutoCAD. So now I'll tick that I've added. So now I can now be able to import it. When I click on import here, as I want to import the column. There's the column layer has been ticked, you can see. Then the grid, I also want to import the grid. Say okay, as you assign layer face, I want to import the X grid. Okay, that's what I want to import. Down now, click on import. Close, but you don't have your DXF for now. So let's come and activate that. Now you can see that you have your DXF file. You can see there, you see the traces of your DXF. Yes, that's it. You can use the colors if you want to have the colors. As you can see, now I have the colors. Okay, so I usually like to rename these grids. So let's say I will make this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so I can start with that one. Let's see. Yeah, alright, click properties. I call it 1. Update and close. Right click properties. I call it 2. Label 2. Update and close. Alright, click properties. Label 3, update and close. Alright, click properties 4, update and close. Alright, click properties 5, update and close. Alright, click properties 6, update and close. Alright, click properties 7, update and close. Alright, click properties 8, update and close. Alright, click properties 9, update and close. Alright, click properties 10, update and close. Alright, click properties 12, update and close. So I'll come to this side too. Side, properties A, update close. Properties B, update close. Properties C, update close. Properties D, update close. Properties E, update and close. This is it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my beams. Yeah, and but I forgot to put one column here in AutoCAD. So I'll right click here, I'll open the properties, and now the same properties I can now insert the column there. I'll close. But before I put my beams, let us do some settings. So I'll come for you to do your settings. Let's see, click on analysis. This is where you can find analysis here. Then building analysis, come to edit materials. Let's say in my columns I want to use just Y16 rebar. In my beam I like to use Y16 rebars. On my links I want to use Y10 rebar. Okay, that is it. Beam and column. Then slab. My slab I want to use Y12 rebar. And for my foundation, let's say I want to use Y12 rebar. On my links, Y10 rebar. Okay, click on OK. Then I'll click on project parameters. Yeah, this is the parameters we're using. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is click on foundation. I'll change this to, this is 150, that is the bearing capacity I'm going with. Call that lateral loadings. On brace, we'll assume that the columns are not braced. Then project header, electrical, equipment room, equipment room design. So now put the design made by fill in all this, click on OK. Then you can now click on close. Then we can now put our beams. We come to modeling, pick your beam. My beam size is 225 by 450. So you now insert, start drawing. It's not. It's showing. It's okay. Alright, it's showing. Come to plan. Right click properties and continue. All the way. Come all the way. And put it in 3D. Okay, this is looking okay. Come back. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to edit our flows. Come to stories, right click. We'll first insert number of stories. 2. Okay. Come back to story 1. Now edit story. So the first story, I want it to be a height of 450. Those are my ground beams. And my main story, 4.5 meter, 4,500. It's an equipment room. Okay. So maybe the foundation, I want it to be 1,200. Then click on OK. Then I'll come and depends if you can put your slabs now and generate story, or you can generate story inside your slab. Depends on what you're trying to achieve. Generate. Copy this to this place. Since there is no slab or anything, I can just OK it. Close. Take a look at this in 3D. This is what I have in 3D. Let me come to story 2. Come to story 2. So this my design. This design is cantilevered upstairs. So I'm going to offset my grid. I have a cantilevered beam of 500. So I'll click on F2 or Shift F2 to offset by 525. Yeah, I have that. But I can change these properties. Maybe I can change this one to 1 prime and change this one to 1. Good. Something like that. Then I can still offset this one. F2 5 525. I can change this one to 12 prime. Update and close. Oh no, let me just put this one to 13. Update and close. What's the offset this side? F2 525. Property A prime. Update and close. Offset F2 525. Escape. Okay. Alright, well, done with this offset. So I would like to extend my beams properties. These beams have cantilevered this side. Okay, so we are going to have secondary beams of 400 mm. So now put them here. This is I'm on the second floor. Okay, so now we're going to put our slabs. Let's come to modeling, slab. So this slab is a roof slab. I'm going to leave it 20. Then the cover. Like this, then the load, the total, and check calculator. Depends on your design. My load will not be the same with yours. 2.5 minus 2.88, 0.62. Oof. 0.68. No. I'm having an impulse load of 1.5. Yes. So I'll now put my slabs. This depends. If you can right click here and choose load that you want on your impulse load.
Senior secondary.
So when you are done with your slabs, you can now put your slab strips. Close this. Under modeling, you can see your slab strips in the X directions. It's starting at slab and ending at slab cantilever. Choose this ones. Click here, hold control so that I can have a straight line. Okay, load case is not defined yet. Let's define our load cases. Load combination, load cases generator. Okay, close. So now we can be able to do it. Right 12. Let's do some settings first. Let's delete this. Click on settings, come to slab, sharp design, reverse. Let's say my highest spacing should be 200. It depends on you. Using Y12 straight bars. Okay. So I'll now come back and run my slab strips. direction. I'll do same. Okay. Oh, many one. Close. I'll run my slab strips. So now I'll add my beam load, come back to this, my ground floor. Right click, edit beam wall load. Okay, so unit weight of beam, unit weight of wall load 3.47. my wall height is, let me use calculator, or 500 minus 450 which 4 meter. So okay, 2.5. I can copy this one, copy the load and paste for the rest. See it in 3D. Okay, this is it. So now you can come to slab, right click, set slab types automatically, Usually you do this thing before strips. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to decompose, load, and run analysis. So come to analysis. We come to analysis here. Then we'll start with FE analysis. Second floor. Now mesh floors. Okay, you can click here if you want to. So you lose. Cancel. Come to the second floor. Yeah. There's no slab here. There's no slab on this floor, so there won't be any of that. And now close. So from here you can click on analysis. Before that, let's come to display, visual interrogation, design status, so that we can be able to see our design status. So now it's gray, not design. So now come to modeling, now come to analysis, building analysis. We click on analysis. So we have already set all these links 10. Okay, so now come to analysis and click on analysis, column and bin. We analyze. Okay. Close. You can, from here you can come to post processing. Open your beams. See the ones that fade. See the utilization ratio is more than 1. Design overlay, variant rebars. is okay now. We'll add this Y50. Give it a 3. Good. 3Y. Have such things you can. Okay. So let's go to post-processing. Click on our beams. Okay. This one's fade. So white 20 down. So you can select them and let's try white 20 here.
Check your WhatsApp and I'll send another message. Don't know the format how to save the file.
So when you're done, fixing it. Now just click OK. Can close this. Come to column. Both of the columns. Then design. Okay. Then you can select it, interactive design. So when you are done, you can simply close and close this. Where everything has been designed. Yeah. So the next thing we want to do is insert our footings. So in case you want to turn off layers, you come to see here, you can see settings. Click on your layer. Under settings, display settings. Sorry. You come to settings. And you can see display settings. You can see your layers here. You can turn on or off. Maybe you want to turn axis off and columns off, column detail off. You want to turn them off. You see, these are the that are not here. So I can be able to select only my beams and edit them. You see, maybe I want to change my beams to 450. That's how you want to do it, by turning off layers. Here you can close this and okay. come back to building, set out, layers, turn this on. Okay, there's one. So now we are going to insert our footings. Let's go back to plan view, then we'll come to 0, 0 level. So when we are on the 0, 0 floor, select one of these, insert part. You can see 15 by 15 as parts, or 16, but I like to keep it even, so move it to 16 by 16. Yeah. This one is 18 by 18. Let's see. I will put more than one. No. I have to do. One after the other. If you are having top and bottom reinforcement for single columns, come to settings, come to foundation. On the general foundation, you remove this use top bars, just untick that. So when you're done putting your footings down, you can be able to export it. This, so there was, so to turn off, your layers, you just come to display, then you see layers here. You can be able to click on axis, beams, they may be very easy, columns, slab. The moment you click on it is turned off. You can see it's very easy. Alright, PROTA structures. Come back here, beam, another beam, detailing. Sections, this, good, I like it this way. and then on the detailing you come to beams, and I like to choose to show reference beam. I choose the reference beam. I think those are the settings I need to do before I now export my design to PROTA details. So now you come to drawings and report. You click here, save first.
Israel, I'll give my time to do.
Okay, so here now click on auto generate. I like changing this K to 75. Then option 2, and make sure that number of bars is thick. I can now draw. Left click here. This is just the way I want it to be. So now export this thing to AutoCAD and do my detailing. Come to export DXF. This is where the directory that it will be saved. And now click on export.
This is also
This is it. This is the drawing. I'll go and cut it here. I like cutting it here, and then I'll save it. Now save it somewhere. Maybe I'll cut it and paste in the folder that I'm working. That's how I like doing mine. So thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, please remember to subscribe to my channel. So in case you need in-depth training on any of these softwares, you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number, this is my website, and on our website we have services of architecture, design, structural design, M&E services, and then under the academy you can download videos on BIM softwares. You can download softwares. We have a lot here, so you can check it out. So, and under the description to this video is a link to our WhatsApp group. So if you're interested to join us on WhatsApp, you can also join us. Thank you, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and there is more to come.